I like to call this recipe a bowl of proteins because we're just dealing with proteins after proteins after proteins. The only missing ingredient here are some sausages that I would have really loved to have in my recipe, but nimepata hakuna. So with me, I have my list of ingredients, and I have some capsicum, coriander stems, coriander leaves. I have my tomato paste. I have my yellow beans, and these beans are very good because they do not contain some gas. I have my chopped onions, my carrots, garlic, a bay leaf. I have my cooking oil over here. I have some salt. I have my spices, and for the list of spices, as I always say, add what you like, leave out what you don't, and add more of what you like and add less of what you do not like. I have some royco powder, some curry powder, some basil that is dried. I have some dried rosemary, some dried oregano, some black pepper, some masala. I have some paprika and some royco powder. And finally, I have my other protein, and that's some minced meat. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is a very easy recipe but very yummy, that's a guarantee. And the other day I showed you how to make some big bean stew that you can enjoy with rice. You can also enjoy this with rice, but today I'll be enjoying mine with some butternut chapati, and I have a recipe, you can check that out. Then I'm also going to add in my minced meat, and if at all I had sausages, that would really slap. And I've done a recipe where I had some sausages, some minced meat, and some beans. Then, as I mentioned, this is such an easy recipe. It doesn't need any complications, and all these ingredients are easily available. And we are just going to dump everything, I mean literally everything, in here into our pot. Add some salt. So because we have some minced meat here, you can add soy sauce if at all you feel like. It's allowed because we do have some protein. And then I'm also going to add in my cooking oil, about a tablespoon, not a lot. Then I'll also go in with my spices. Then mix this. And for this particular recipe, you can either use an oven or you can also use your gas cooker. So if at all you're going to be using an oven, you're going to do this. Then you're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 3 to 4 hours. Then for my tomato paste, I'm going to add some hot water. Then mix this so that it can loosen, you don't have a lump of tomato paste once your food is ready. I'll pour it out and then mix again with the remaining lump. Yeah. So the only ingredient that I've not added is my coriander leaves, and this is because I'm going to use this once my food is ready to garnish it. Then you need to mix this till everything is well combined. And I repeat, if at all you have the sausages, please add them, don't be shy. Then I'll go in with my favorite, tofu. Don't be shy, add. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, about another cup, since we are not shy and we do not fear soup in this channel, as long as you know how to go about it. Then so these are the instructions for cooking. At all you're going to be using an oven, cover it and put it in the oven for about 3 to 4 hours at 180 degrees. If at all you're going to be using a gas cooker, put it on the fire for about 20-30 minutes, about 25 minutes should be enough, and you should have a very thick, delicious and yummy stew. So I'll cover this and I'll see you in about 30 or so minutes. So our bean stew is also ready, and look at this. This is so big and nice. I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. And this is a very good recipe, very effortless. Look at this. This is so good. Mm. 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 And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.